Nana, I don't get ultimate shock. So I bring am also to shock una. Rita Daniels, wey be Regina Daniels' mother, she don fall in love with a younger man. Dem don tie their knots. Hey! Wetin I no go use ear here. For people wey no know, Regina Daniels be pikin to Rita Daniels o, and Regina Daniels marry man wey even dey more than 2 times her age, wey be Ned Nwoko. She marry Ned Nwoko o. Now the mama to that Regina Daniels don go dey marry man wey young pass her. Hey God, this family if I tell una say I go fit write their history na lie, because dem go dey give una shock, things wey una no even expect. Like this o. Ned Nwoko senior in father-in-law. Hey! And Regina Daniels, oh, this thing they make me laugh. I said to God. And now as it be like this, Rita Daniels give Regina Daniels her ancestors. Meanwhile, Regina Daniels give the mother person where she supposed to see as husband. This kind of exchange shocked me. In fact, this family planning have been a family process. It kill me, I swear. Now, so this woman boldly come on social media, post she and her new found lover for social media, and they, for that place they write love wins. Wow. Hey God, my people, nothing person don't go see for social media. As she drop this one now, so Instagram follower go drop his own comment from the depth of his heart. The guy go write Ashawo mama with laughing emoji. He be like, that comment pain and that to bone marrow. The woman gas reply. For the woman to reply, that comment reach her. Make her tell una wetin in reply. Now, see wetin Regina Daniels' mother talk. She said, you are not worthy to have a mother. If you this small shit can call someone's mother Ashawo, anyways, your mother shall never rest in peace, but in pieces. See wetin she open mouth talk. Now be say, this one pay her down to. In fact, this one reach her digestive system, reproductive system, respiratory. He choke her. Hey! For person to leave person wey comment, this one for her to insult person wey comment to, she leave that one go insult the person own mama. And now the boy reply even kill me self, because my people, make una hear wetin the boy reply. The person say, you will join my mother soon, Rita. Rest in peace in advance. Your children will cry on your grave soon. Hey! This reply make me know say this boy mama no even die alive. So that insult just go to waste. That insult just go to vanity. As it dey so like this, now only the woman get cause to carry. Now only she get cause to carry. Okay, some people go talk say, why can't he mind his business? Social media is a place for freedom of speech. If you get anything to comment, you comment. That is why she is a celebrity. If you see something from celebrity, everybody they talk. So the guy get freedom of speech. If you don't call the woman Ashawo mama, that one na own decision. He don't see am as Ashawo, because make una help me reason am. Me I dey see am from the guy own point of view. Woman wey don already marry, don born pikin wey be Regina Daniels plus the other sister, come again still dey find young blood to refresh her system. Wetin we dey call those kind people for Nigeria? But make una help me talk. That be why the boy talk, and the boy no even mean am. You know too serious, cause him put laughing emoji say like na joke. But the woman come take am serious. They insult the boy mama. They do this. Anyway, ma keep am down. No talk say Rita Daniels go die yo, but make everybody dey watch. But I wan ask una, the thing where the boy talk, he bad, he too bad, or he dey manageable, or he dey okay, or he just free mind talk wetin he want talk, or una dey feel say the one where Rita, abeg, for me, my own judgment be say this thing where Rita Daniels insult this guy just for 2 words, Ashawo mama only. The woman come pour this kind insult, render the boy mama. For me, e dey too much, e dey too serious. I don't know wetin una wan judge o. Make una dey drop una judgment for comment section. As una don come today na judgment day, make una dey drop una comment for that place. But as for me, I dey for the boy side, and I no wan talk like Why the woman go insult him mama? As for me, that thing no be good, no be good act. Okay, then go talk say the boy insult another person mama, we understand. But that one no be insult, na just joke, and the woman as celeb, in just drop his own point of view. So my people, anything una feel concerning this matter, make una put am for comment section. I don't talk my own, and na here I go bar break for the day. So my people, make una like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.